Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is April the 20th. We're on day number 11. Day number 11 of the Miley Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. If you guys have not been following these videos, go back to this channel right here, True Freedom Income. I just made that channel, this new channel, not too long ago, just for you guys to kind of just show you step-by-step instructions on how to do this method in particular. As this channel grows, I will go into other different, income streams that you can do to earn income online. All right. Um, just a little bit about myself. I've been in this space over a couple of decades now. I've promoted, so many different programs, and I built tons of websites, and I have multiple YouTube pages. So I've been in this space for some time now, guys. I do lots of different things online. So just wanted to start putting myself out there as far as how to make money online since I'm doing it. Okay, so I just want to do show you guys what I'm doing, okay, and you can go out and duplicate what I do, okay. And there's other people that are out here the same as I am, that are promoting different offers, okay, and then that are doing this specific method, all right. So this specific method that we're zeroing in on right now, guys, is called My Lead Gen Secret. And we're grabbing an offer from a platform called Clickbank, where they have free offers. We go grab those offers and we just we send them to that traffic from My Lead Gen Secret, and in the end we get a result. We get either the traffic, the click, and eventually hopefully a sale. Okay, that's the end result. Okay, so if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, this is what it looks like. My Lead Gen Secret is an email platform that's going to that generates 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. So these people that are coming onto your list, your personal list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find an offer, and put it in front of this traffic. Create an email, and you can create an email from Chat GBT. You can come up with it in your head, whatever, or you can use the free email swipes from the vendor, is what we're doing, which is we're using the free email swipes from ClickBank. Okay. That doesn't cost you anything. Now, also, you can come in here to the master email swipes. You can purchase those for an extra $30, and those are pretty good emails as well. But for right now, we're just going to make it, less cost effective, and use the free email swipes from ClickBank. Okay. Now I'm showing you guys this method because it doesn't cost a lot of money. Okay. The other stuff that I do is, you're having to pay for ads. You're going to have a budget, in order to start, doing some of these certain methods out here, like running paid traffic, okay, to different offers and programs. Okay. So it can get a little pricey. Okay. So this method is very, low cost. That's why I'm promoting this offer first, this method first, because it doesn't cost you a lot of money. For this My Lead Gen Secret system, for one account, there's a one-time charge of $60 to get it started, and then $30 a month for you to keep the service. Okay. Now, I know it sounds, like, I don't know if that sounds like a lot of money to you or not, but $30 a month for you to gain traffic every single day, okay, is a no-brainer if you're interested in earning income online. Because what you're going to need, the most important thing that you're going to need online is traffic, is people looking at your offer. Okay, so this is probably a newbie friendly platform that you can get started on to kind of get your feet wet, okay, and start sending make money online offers to, guys. Okay. Now, just a little bit about the My Lead Gen Secret. I've been with them over a few years now, guys. I've used this system. I can let you know it's legit. The traffic is pretty decent, okay? And you can earn income with this, using this software, okay? Now, I do want to throw out a disclaimer. I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with the system, because I don't know if you're going to go put in the work. I don't know if you're going to go buy the system. I don't know if you're going to send emails every single day, okay? Excuse me. And just a real quick This platform, this is not some push button software where you're going to send out emails and make, thousands of dollars the next day. Okay. It doesn't work that way. You have to get this list. You have to get them. These are real people. Okay. So you're going to have to get them warmed up to your list, warmed up to your email, excuse me. And they're going to have to just see your offer over and over and over again in order to start finding out who you are. And you got to get people to trust you. Okay. So, and to do that, you got to stay consistent and you got to send out emails every single day. And that's what we do here, guys. Okay. So if you guys, I did leave a link below this video if you guys want to get started and follow along with me. Okay. And complete this series with me. Right now, we're doing a, a 1 year challenge. Okay. 365. We're going to go 365. Okay, with one offer. Okay. Now, if you watch the previous videos on this channel, I did do a small challenge just to let you guys with different offers to let you know that different offers work. Okay. That's why I switched different offers in the last series that I did. It was just a short series just to show you that this stuff works. But now I came back on. I got other stuff that I'm doing, but I did come back around. I circle back around and I'm picked out one offer that we're just going to stick with for 1 year. Okay. And we're going to see how much money that we can make with that offer, all right, in 1 year. Okay. So, if you guys want to get up to speed, go back to day number one, which was 10 days ago. Okay. We're on day number 11. Let's go ahead and go back to that first video, or you can go back to the first video, in this, whole, channel. Okay. And see, kind of get up to speed what we're doing here. Okay. So this is what your My Legion Secret is going to look like. Okay. Your back office. It's going to look like this, guys, exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out. Okay. Now you can go here. This is where my leads are. This is where all your leads are going to be. This account, since I have multiple accounts, guys, I'm getting 200 leads. The only way to get 200 leads a day is you're going to have multiple accounts. You're going to have more than one. Okay. I would recommend at least 3 to 5 accounts to get you started. Okay. And that's, if you can get 3 accounts, all you got to pay is just $90 a month. Okay. And you can have traffic coming in every single day. You can get these lists built up to thousands and thousands of people. Okay. Now, right now, I am maxed out at 200,000. Okay. And that's where you want to be. This is kind of where you want, this is the end result is when you hit that plateau of 200,000 people. Okay. What ends up happening is that um, they stop at 200,000, but they're going to keep going. And then the 200,000 that are at the bottom, those first subscribers, they're going to start dropping off, and we're going to just have fresh new traffic coming in every single day. Okay. And that's the beauty of this. All right. So, what we would do to send out an email, you would go here to the mailing system. Okay. You want to come down here. I'm just going to show you real quick. You're going to select all the leads, right here. You're going to click that button. Now yours is probably not going to say 200,000 right off the bat. Okay. So you're going to have to work your way up to that. Okay. Now the subject line, this is where you would put in the subject line for the email that we're getting ready to send out to our prospect. Okay. And let's go ahead and go over here to accounts, and you want to go to your account. And Clickbank is a network and marketing platform that you can go to. It's free. Go to clickbank.com, sign up, doesn't cost you a dime. Okay. Now, once you get in, you're going to have to create a username. So you're going to create a username, whatever that be. You can come up with something unique. You got all these different offers that you can promote. Okay. But the offer that promotes, I mean, the section that promote the niche that promotes the best with the My Legion Secret is this e-business, e-marketing. Okay. This is make money online, niche. Okay. So what we would do is you can come here and you can grab any of these offers. Okay. I would say any of these 3 offers. I'm just going to let you in on a secret. These 3 offers are going to, or 4 offers are going to promote the best. These down here, I wouldn't mess around with that. Okay. But these 3 are going to, get you to where you need to be at. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna promote this one. This is what we're doing for this 365, this live chat jobs one. We're gonna do that. If you go here to affiliate page, guys, just click on that. It's going to bring up the vendor information. Okay. What you want to do, make sure you go here, put in your email, and join now for the 10% commission bump. Right now, it's only 75%. As you can see right here, we want 85%. That's going to get you that $20 commission every time that somebody signs up. Okay. So remember to do that. Let's go and go over here to email swipes. Remember, they're free. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. So you want to come down here. We have made it to day number 11, guys. So let's go ahead and go to day number 11. And remember that subject line over on the mileage and secret. We're just going to grab that email. We're going to come here. We're going to control V and we're going to paste it in there where it says join the live chat revolution. All right. So you want to go here. This is the body of the email. And you want to click on perfect timing. That way, this email is going to go out at the time where people are actually looking at their emails. Okay, that's why the mileage and secret is a pretty cool system. They know when people are looking at their emails, and they're going to send it out right whenever they're open and looking at it. It's just awesome, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this body here. All right, and we want to just copy, Control C, come back over here, and we just want to copy this, Control A, delete that, Control V. We're going to paste that in there. Instead of signature, we either want to put in management or put in your name, whatever your name is. Okay. And then from where it says hi name, okay, we want to go to where it says first name right here. There's going to be some codes that we're going to be able to grab. All right. And we're going to Control C. We want to address them by their full name, first name, last name, email address. Which one you think is best, right? It's going to be the first name. So we want to address our prospect when we send them out an email. We want to address them by their first name, pretty much kind of like we know them, right? So, it's going to address them when they see that email, when you paste that in there, hi, first name. So it's going to say, when this email comes to my email account, it's going to say, hey, hi, Jermaine, get ready to take your customer service to the next level. Okay. So it's just dressed in our prospect. Okay. By their first name, which is pretty awesome. Okay. You want to proofread the email, make sure there's no misspelled words or anything. And where you see the bold text, clicking this link, we want to turn this into a clickable link. So right here is the link tab. So we want to click on that link. Okay. And then we want to come back to the email, and then from the vendor they give you a link already. Okay, that's designed to convert with this email. So we want to grab where it says hop link. You want to grab this link and you want to copy that. Okay, copy it, Control C, come back over here to the system and Control V. All right, cool. WordPress chat assistant. What's really important is that you come here and you want to put in your name. Okay, so you want to put in whatever your username is for Clickbank. All right. So you just want to click that right there. Okay. So I put in my username, click on OK. What that does, it turns this into a clickable link. Okay. So when this email goes out, okay, our prospect, all they have to do is click on this link right here, and it's going to take them right to your offer. Okay. Which is going to be this right here. All right. So I'm going to just open up another tab and just want to click there. Okay. And we'll just click continue. All right. And it's going to take them to this page right here. Okay. Which is pretty neat. All right. So this page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. It's just a job. It looks like you're on Indeed and looking for a job. This is basically like this going out to our prospect, which converts really, really good, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and just exit out of that. All right. And then once our prospect signs up there, they'll be good to go. All right. So I like to copy this. You can make this either 16 or 18, and make it bigger where your prospect will be able to see this email. Okay, so they're not squinting their eyes, or maybe it's not too big or anything like that. Okay, so this is how the email looks whenever it's going to go out. Looks really good, guys. So all we would do is come down here and click on review. We review your ad first before you send it out. Don't send it out without reviewing it and clicking on this link to make sure that it goes to your website, okay, your personal affiliate page, and that it has your unique username in it, okay? That's very important, because if you send out this email and it doesn't have your unique username in it, somebody buys, Clickbank is getting your money. You're not getting paid a commission for it, okay? So that's very important, all right? So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mileage and secret system. I don't want to go on too long because it's pretty much self-explanatory on how you do it and how you send out that email. Okay, I just want to show you guys how to do it and how to send out an email for today. Now, before this, I shot this video. I did send out my email already. Okay, so I'm just a little bit ahead of you, so I can save time on this video. Okay. But that's how you send out an email, guys. Super easy to do. Let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. Let's go ahead and check our results from last night. As you know, last night we did, same time we sent out an email, and I want to see what kind of results that we got. Okay. So if you guys watch yesterday's video, we did get a sale yesterday. Okay. Excuse me. We did get a sale yesterday, guys. And, and it was awesome. Okay. Now today is April the 20th. We did get some traffic today. We're looking good as far as traffic. We're getting the traffic. Okay. 1,000 hops. Okay. 702 unique hops. These are brand new people, brand new IP addresses that are coming to this website. Okay. Which is really good. That's really good traffic. We got two people that came to the checkout page. They were there. They maybe whipped out their credit card, decided to buy for whatever reason, or they don't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, for some reason, they did not buy out of those two people. Okay. No biggie. All right. So we did not get a sale today, but we did get a sale yesterday. We're going to be looking for that free trial. Okay. Here in the next few days. But we're going to keep sending out emails until people start signing up every single day. That is the whole goal with this method. Okay. The cool thing about this offer that we're promoting on Clickbank, which is this social sales rep offer, live chat jobs, is that once someone signs up, okay, for the program, we're going to get a residual $20 payment over and over and over again every month. All right, and the lifespan of someone staying on our list is 3 to 6 months. Okay. That's how long that I've seen someone stay on my list from before when I've been promoting this program. Okay. It's 3 to 6 months. Okay. So all we got to do is get somebody to sign up one time. And then they're going to get billed over and over and over again as long as they stay with the system. As long as they're making money, I'm sure they're going to be happy and they're going to stay with the system. And we're going to collect $20 over and over and over again every month. So imagine getting hundreds of people that sign up and then everybody's getting billed $20 over and over and over again. Okay, we're going to get it up to a full time income. You can get this thing up to 1,000, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, even $5,000 a month. Okay, guys. And that's the whole goal here, guys, is that we want to earn a full time income from this. All right. We do the work one time. Okay. And then somebody signs up over and over and over again. All right. So that's it, guys. That's the method. Unfortunately, we did not get a sale today. That's something I don't hang my head about because I know what's to come. And what I want to talk to you guys about real quick, be someone that doesn't give up on what they want in life. Okay. If you see yourself earning income online, figure out a way, okay, to do that. All right. Because it's not hard to do. Okay. I know you see a lot of gurus out here that claim to you can make money, thousands of dollars next week. It doesn't work that way. Okay. Pick one thing, one method, stick with it. Okay. And stick with it until you see a result. Okay. That's what I did. Okay. It took me a little bit longer for this method. Okay. For it to get going. But the thing about me and maybe the difference between me and you is that I didn't give up. Okay. And I kept going, even though I wasn't making a dime with this method. Okay. I kept sending out emails every day because you know why? I seen other people doing it. And if they can do it, I can do it. All right. So that's what kept me. There's a lot of guys out here that I was inspired by that kept me wanting to keep doing this method because they were being successful in it. And I know if they can do it, then I can do it. All right. So just have that relentless mindset, guys. Don't have the lottery ticket mentality that, you get this push button software, you send out an email and you're going to be a millionaire by next week. Okay. Doesn't work that way. Nothing in the world works that way. Okay. Unless you hit the lottery. Okay. But what you want to do is you want to get in here and you want to just start sending out emails and just pound this thing out. And that's what we're going to do. There's going to be days like this. Okay. It could be today, tomorrow. We cannot have a sale for a whole week, 2 weeks. It doesn't matter. Okay. As long as we stick with the plan, send out our emails every single day. Okay. Eventually, you're going to start seeing progress. You're going to start seeing success. Okay. We're going to see success. Okay. We're going to do this thing for 365, 1 year. Okay. We're going to send out one offer and I'm going to show you. Okay. It's going to be the good and the bad. All right. So there's going to be days like this where we're not going to make anything. There's going to be days where we make sales. We're getting them over and over and over again. And then eventually what's going to happen is we're going to start making money every single day because we got those residual $20 payments coming in every single month. All right. It's very exciting. I'm looking forward to it. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. I just wanted to show you that, share these things with you, okay? And I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. Me and you together, guys, we're gonna do this together. We're gonna pound it out for a year and we're gonna see what type of results that we can get from this. All right. So I'm gonna leave this on that note, and I'm gonna see you guys here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.